Good morning. With you best couture. Today I will tell you how easy and simple to sew an invisible belt, so necessary in all classic skirts and sometimes trousers. In contrast to the normal belt, this belt is not visible from the front side of the product and is filed with an invisible seam connected with skirt by hand. Later I'll show you how to do blind stitch. We start by preparing a belt in shape that repeats the top of the skirt or trousers, 5 or 6 centimeters wide, plus 2 centimeters of seams above and below. Length, equal to the waist of your product minus 2 centimeters. The skirt should be gathered up a bit from the waistband. The skirt should already be nearly stitched with darts, a side seam, and a zipper. Most of the time the zip is invisible. See my previous lesson, which was very loved by COUTURE viewers, how to make an invisible zip. Then we cut sticker, which is the same shape as skirt waist. Iron with a warm iron. Shiny side of adhesive connect with the inside of the belt until it is glued completely. We attach the belt with skirt face to face. Now let's draw the line starting from a point a little above the end of the zip. It is necessary so that when we turn the belt in the zip area, there is space for the flap. In this way the belt will be of quality. Define the cut with a zigzag or overlock so the fabric does not lose its threads. Now let's make a finishing line that is very functional by turning all the seams of the skirt and waistband in the direction of the waistband. This seam is necessary so that the waistband does not twist in the front while wearing the skirt. I hope you enjoy this lesson and in the future make with me Italian boutique fashion dresses on your individual figure. And in order for it to be easy to make, you need to create a tailored suit and trousers base of an individual model that fits you perfectly. By clicking on the link below you can buy basic models starting from size 36 to 60 that I have prepared for you. By changing the model to your figure as it will be shown in one of the following videos, you will solve the problem of how to model exclusive clothes for yourself once and for all. With me, you will learn how to do it quickly and efficiently, and, above all, simply, following the fashion trends. Having traced a seam backing 1 mm from the edge with a bar tack on both sides, we work the bottom of the belt with an overlock, noting the same distance from the top. 5 or 6 cm. We are already close to the final. It remains to work out the belt in the zip area. In the video you see how my daughter learns it and does well. In other videos you saw how we sewed together when she was still very small. It is important to transfer the skill to children, watching videos together and learning with your children. We continue. Be careful to lay the skirt on the table in the zipper area so that your waistband repeats the shape of the skirt, and there is one more that you tuck inward and sew with an invisible seam. With the same invisible seam, you can attach the belt along the entire length to the skirt. Beware that your invisible seam will not be visible on the front side. The second option, if you find it difficult to make an invisible seam, you can tie the belt to the skirt only at the darts and side seams. Now I will tell you how to make an invisible seam. See how I process the bottom of the product by hand, that is, I pin the entire belt. It can be a slit of the skirt, the bottom of the trousers, or a sleeve. I rotate the fabric an equal distance already pinned, so this fabric won't move anywhere, as it's not silk. Next, we stitch from the top of the fabric to the bottom of the fabric. Take just one thread, go under the bottom fabric, then go parallel to the bottom fabric, and then forward to the top fabric. And I get these points. On the front you can't see anything. From the inside there are only stitches. A stitch is formed when the thread goes from the top fabric to the bottom fabric in the same spot. The needle picks up a thread from the fabric, and further under the front fabric catches a thread. This is not a quick job, but it is a very high quality and strong stitch. And so you finish every detail where a machine stitch is undesirable for beauty. My congratulations. Your invisible belt is ready. Very, very good. On this channel of mine, I share with you the vast knowledge I gained in 2 fashion design institutes. I am also an artist, and you can purchase my paintings on Amazon and Etsy by following the link below the video. These are paintings for your home and trendy interior. Subscribe to my channel and like it. My channel has no monetization and is based only on my enthusiasm. You can support us with a donation so that I have the strength to make new videos. In the next video, I'll show you how to make a buttonhole in 1 minute. All the best and see you soon. With you the best couture.